First impressions are vital in business and in life. Yet, so many companies get this simple thing wrong. How about your company? Let's look at what people are getting wrong and see how to fix it. Welcome back to this weekly edition every Friday of the Japan Business Mastery Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, your corporate coaching and training guy, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan, and two-time best-selling author of Japan Sales Mastery and Japan Business Mastery. My new book, Japan Presentations Mastery, will be released soon. We are bringing the show to you from our studio in the High Performance Center in Akasaka in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. This is episode number 79, and we are talking about employ your secret weapon. Before we get going, a quick word from our sponsor. If you want to become skilled at dealing with people, then sign up for the Dale Carnegie course. Fully road tested for the last 100 years. This course is super popular globally and in Japan too. We've been teaching this for over 50 years here. Improve your ability with people, really ramp up your communication and leadership skills, grow your confidence and end your stress. Contact us to do the Dale Carnegie course now in either Japanese or English. Are you doing business with Japan? Do you really know how things work? Japan Business Mastery provides the answers. Do you have the right networks and know how to create them? Do you know how to get on the same wavelength with Japanese buyers? Do you know what being trustworthy looks like from the Japanese perspective? Japan Business Mastery is based on more than 30 years' experience in Japan and will become your go-to guide. Want to succeed in Japan? Buy Japan Business Mastery now. Welcome back. Okay, now it's time for the show. それでは行きましょう. So let's get going. You appreciate Japan when you leave it and meet grumpy, angry-looking, unfriendly, customer-facing staff overseas. Dale Carnegie's human relations principles have lots of value. One is number 5, smile. It may sound a bit simplistic, but actually the idea is very profound and there's a lot of depth. You would never guess that this idea to smile when you meet people, especially when in a customer-facing role, has been around since How to Win Friends and Influence People was first published back in 1936. Buying food, checking in for your flight, or entering the airport lounge, unsmiling, unfriendly staff assault your senses. No smiling. Not even one of those pathetic fake jobs. To top it off, they then produce a section from the manual and say, have a nice day, have a nice flight, whatever. The incongruency of greeting you with a I don't care attitude and their final words has obviously not been explored yet. Giving your instructions to the cabbie or serving staff and being greeted with total silence is a bit disconcerting. Do they know what I want? Are we clear about what needs to happen next? Why is there no acknowledgement of what you want? These abysmal service interactions are a simple failure of leadership. The companies employing these staff have poor leadership because the people destroying their brand are not being trained properly. What a fantastic opportunity for companies to win in the marketplace. The cost of a genuine smile is obviously too expensive for these failing companies. Imagine, though, that properly led staff were being trained on just one thing: smile when you meet your customer. Teaching our teams to smile at the first interaction with the customer sets up a chemical reaction that will create the right momentum to create an experience that adds to the value of the brand and to the revenues of the organisation. To do this, we need to properly train our leaders to make sure their staff get it. The lack of congruency is costing firms money. The upsell, the cross-sell, missed opportunities are, frankly, scary, pathetic, and unnecessary. Listen to how your staff answer the phone. Do they say the name of the organisation, their own name, and do it with a smile in their voice? Observe the customer-facing interactions and see if the genuine smile is there or not. As company leaders, I don't think we should be satisfied with anything less than excellent smiles as the first point of contact. If we can get a smile going at the outset, a lot of good things will follow. And principle number 5, smile, can be the catalyst to success. Action steps. Call your own organisation at different times of the day to check how clients are being handled. Number 2, ensure leaders are explaining to staff that they represent the brand and how they interact with clients makes all the difference to how the brand is regarded. Number 3, select customer-facing staff who smile naturally. Number 4, practice Dale Carnegie's principle number 5, smile. I hope you enjoyed today's show, and so please subscribe on YouTube. Share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Become a regular. Our website details are on screen now, enjapan.dalecarnegie.com. It's awesome value, so please check it out. We try to offer as much value as possible, so you might also enjoy our other shows. In fact, we are releasing content 6 days a week. For podcasts, Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show, Tuesday for the Presentations Japan series, and every second Tuesday for the Business Touches in Share show, Wednesdays for the Sales Japan series, Thursdays for the Leadership Japan series, every second Thursday for the Business Pro Podcast show, Fridays for the Japan Business Mastery show, and Saturdays for Japan's top business interviews, wherever you get your podcast. Also, every second Thursday, we release the Business Pro Television show. Every Friday, the Japan Business Mastery show, and every Saturday, Japan's top business interviews on YouTube. We appreciate your support. Please let others know about it so they can benefit too. We want to make a contribution to helping people build their careers and businesses. And please join us in that endeavour. In episode number 80, we are talking about sales presenting skills. Onegai itashimasu. Please join me next week to master business here, because that is what we all want, isn't it? Japan Business Mastery.